Okay, so right now I'm at a property doing a little pest control, and just first things first, this is no good. When you get your guys servicing a property, I always have them go around with the blowers and just hit all the windows and cobwebs, things like that, because if I spray on that, it's not really creating much of a seal or a barrier, because these leaves could blow away. And then just see all the leaves are just piled up. This is no good. You don't want this. This is heaven practically for pests, trash, things like that. And then the trees, you want to make sure nothing's touching the building as far as trees and foliage goes. It looks like we got some work to do next week. This is the heaviest leaf fall just recently. So I'm out here spraying, their windows and door jambs, things like that. They're just due for their, service. So I just figured I'd show you guys, what's going on right now. Trying to avoid this. Leaves over here. When you're spraying, you want to spray up to 4 feet on the building. Then create a perimeter around the windows and door jambs, things like that. Things where people don't really touch. Always use an odorless, a colorless spray. That way when it dries, you don't see the residue, or it just doesn't look very professional, leaving splatter marks. The whole key is to, they're not supposed to know you're even here, honestly. That's how I try and do anything. Say you're fixing irrigation, or doing an irrigation head, you don't want them to see the irrigation. It's not supposed to be visible. And it goes the same with pest control. You shouldn't really notice the bait traps, things like that. It'll just make you look that much more professional. So Steve here at the Landscape Capital, just checking in with you, just some pro tips. Thanks.